Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today we are going to talk about the Saab 90 Scandia, the Swedish airliner that faded into history. Ever wondered why Sweden's answer to the Douglas DC-3 never took off globally? In this video, we dive into the story of the Saab 90 Scandia, a promising twin-engine airliner that had everything it needed to succeed. Expect of luck. Stick around to discover its rise, fall, and why it remains a rare piece of aviation history. If you love forgotten aircraft stories, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing aviation content. The rise of the Saab 1990 Scandia. During the late 1940s, the aviation industry was booming, and Sweden's Saab Svenska aeroplane Bolaget sought to capitalize on this momentum. The company, already well known for its military aircraft, wanted to compete in the commercial aviation market. The result: the Saab 90 Scandia, a sleek twin-engine airliner designed to rival the dominant Douglas DC-3. It featured two Pratt& Whitney R2180 ET E20 twin wasp radial engines, delivering reliable performance, a pressurized cabin for a smoother and quieter ride, short takeoff and landing STOL capabilities, making it ideal for smaller airstrips. With these features, the Scandia was expected to become the backbone of Scandinavian airlines, SAS and beyond. Why it didn't succeed? Despite its promising design, the Saab 90 Scandia faced multiple hurdles, tough competition. By the time the Scandia was ready, Douglas DC-3 had already cemented its dominance, and the newer DC-4 and Convair 240 offered better range and capacity. Limited market reach. While Brazil's VASP Airlines became the primary operator, limited market reach. While Brazil's VASP Airlines became the primary operator, international demand remained low, limiting Saab's ability to scale production. A shift in priorities. Saab soon realized that military aircraft were far more profitable, leading to the Scandia being overshadowed by the company's fighter jet projects, such as the Saab 29 Tunan. Economic challenges. Post World War II, Europe was still recovering, and airlines were hesitant to invest in new, unproven aircraft when American planes dominated the market. The end of the Saab 90 Scandia. With only 18 units built, the Scandia was ultimately discontinued. The last of these aircraft operated in Brazil until the late 1960s, before vanishing into history. Today, the Saab 90 Scandia remains a forgotten gem, remembered only by aviation enthusiasts and historians. Conclusion: a forgotten pioneer. Although the Saab 90 Scandia never became a commercial success, it played a crucial role in Sweden's aviation history. It proved that Saab could develop commercial aircraft, even if the market wasn't ready for them. Would Saab have been a bigger name in passenger aviation if the Scandia had succeeded? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love exploring forgotten aircraft stories. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Thank you.